So guys, welcome to this video. Today I want to talk about extremely exciting news about the Bitcoin price. So let's look at the article from Yahoo Finance. Bitcoin hits 42,000 as the world's largest hedge fund to invest in crypto. So what this article is all about, it's about the institution going into crypto, into Bitcoin, and we see here also the Bridgewater Associates, which is the biggest hedge fund in the world, also not invested, but is thinking about investing into Bitcoin. So, and also made strong research about Bitcoin. So here we look at the article. So here the hedge fund is one of the several institutions that are adding Bitcoin to their investment portfolios. Darius firm is following a July 2021 move by London-based hedge fund Marshall Wace, which was reported to be starting up its own crypto fund. So they're also looking at other funds that are investing in crypto. So they are not planning to invest directly into Bitcoin, but in companies that are correlated to the Bitcoin price. So kind of want to invest into the Bitcoin, but without investing into the Bitcoin. Also, Ray Dalio, the biggest hedge fund manager, also announced that he has also in his personal portfolio also Bitcoin. And here we see the interview with CoinDesk. While we wouldn't comment on our positions, we can say Bridgewater continues to actively research about crypto, but is not currently planning on investing in crypto. So, and if we look more down, we will see also more exciting news. So here on Monday, Goldman Sachs traded a non-deliverable Bitcoin option, which is a derivative. So they traded their first Bitcoin option, so they made a big trade on Bitcoin. And so this was a very big position because they are used OTC. So OTC is over the counter, so they were not trading directly on the Bitcoin exchange. They used a middleman to trade the option. We see a Bridgewater Associates that are looking for investments into the Bitcoin, and also the big bank Goldman Sachs already trade a derivative on Bitcoin with OTC. So this everything makes me extremely bullish. And yeah, if we look at the charts, we can also see that this looks also very bullish. So first of all, we have to get a little bit back to the past. So when we were at the 69,000 US dollars at the all-time high, we had a pretty strong bearish trend. So we basically didn't break out of the trend. This trend was going exactly like a bear market. So we were in a strong bear market. Then we had a sideways market, but the sideways market was also looking bearish. If we look at the chart, because we went up and then we went pretty fast down. So this was more kind of fake outs than breakouts. Here we see we made also lower highs. We're here at the 45,000. Here at this high is higher than this high, so we made lower lows. And here we can see also we made lower low, but now we're breaking out of this trend. So we see a perfect trend line going up. And if we are going to break, so the first target would be that we are breaking about 74,000 US dollars. And we would break out this to highs, and also we would get supported at around this level. If we getting to the, let's say 52 US dollars, then I would say the bull run is confirmed. But as long as we didn't break out of the 52 US dollars, then I would say it's probably not a good bull market. So we have to break over this level here. This is important. But I mean, we're already seeing we're breaking out. We are about to break out of the bear market trend. But first, our first target would be the 74,000 US dollars, and the next target would be the 51,000 US dollars. So also, if you want to enter trade, I think right now this would be a great trade to trade because we can get, I would set my stop loss around, let's say, 39,000 US dollars, and my take profit around the 52,000 US dollars, or the 50,000, between 52 and the 50,000 US dollars. So we would get a 2-to-1 risk. So this we are risking, we would almost get 3-to-1 actually. So we would have a good risk reward ratio to trade here. So if I would trade the Bitcoin right now, I would put my stop loss at the 39,000 US dollars and put my take profit with up to the 50,000, 52,000 US dollars, about this range, and took probably some profits, like 20% of my position at the 47,000 US dollars, and also changed my entry, not my entry, my stop loss. So yeah, that's what I have to say here. I mean, we see perfectly a bear market here. I mean, we see there's no breakout out of this trend, and here we just see the markets going sideways. And yeah, but now we have all this big news that the institutions are going to come in. I think they are accumulating probably right now, so I think we're not gonna see this breakout like in 1 week or in a few days, but I could see it in the next few weeks that we get a strong breakout to the 47,000 and then to the 52,000 US dollars. I think that's definitely possible and in the cards for Bitcoin. And yeah, we see Goldman Sachs and other big hedge funds going into crypto. So if these institutions like accumulated all of their positions, then I think we will get to the $52,000 again. And then it's so I think right now it's a good time to buy or to enter a trade. Like I said, 39,000 US dollars stop loss and take profit around 50,000 to 52,000 in this range. So I think right now it's a great time to buy. And I mean, the trend line also looks beautiful, because we see it's not just a big pump and then it goes down again. Like we see at this point, it goes extremely strong here, and then like this looks definitely not like a fake out. So this looks organic. So I think right now is the best time to buy Bitcoin. And if you want to buy Bitcoin, use my links down below. There you get a discount and also bonuses if you sign up at my link. And yes, I wish you guys all good success with your trading and with your cryptocurrency, with investing in cryptocurrencies. And yeah, if you want to support this channel, give a like up and also subscribe. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.